Hi there, I'm Betsy Ryan, Product Marketing with Logitech for Enterprise. Today, I introduce to you our multi-mount, a versatile solution that comes in the box with both Rally Bar Huddle and MeetUp 2. The multi-mount is one singular form factor that can be mounted in 4 different ways. Aside from being impressively flexible, this means for you that there's no need to buy any additional mounts or find a place to keep the mounts that you're not using. Everything you need is packed all into one form factor that can adjust to your mounting needs over time. So what we're going to do is take a look at how it works. Let's jump into it. Simply drill the bracket onto the wall and mount the video bar seamlessly underneath the display. To mount on the display, invert the bracket, secure the video bar, and place above the display. To mount on a table, tuck the legs in and place on a hard surface. For tripod mounting, simply screw the video bar in from the bottom and you are ready to go. And that's an overview of the multi-mount that comes in the box with Rally Bar Huddle and MeetUp 2. Learn more on Logitech.com.